Very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Prabhani Vaskar, Assistant Professor from the Department of Prosthodontics, Rural Dental College, Loni. Till now, we already discussed the various causes of partial or complete loss of tooth and discussed the systemic and local sequelae. We discussed already the complete set of the tooth and missing part of the tooth or mouth, and common ways of restoring the edentulous state. Now today I am going to discuss the sequelae of the edentulous state and how to counsel the patient and tell them the importance of a replacement of missing tooth. So let's start. Let me share my screen. I will discuss in today's topic how to counsel the patient on the importance of replacement of missing teeth and tissue with respect to the benefit on oral and systemic health. These are the contents of my presentation. We will discuss the introduction. These are the consequences. Next is the management part, and last in the conclusion. Now start with the consequences of missing teeth. I would like to show you a video that visualize you that how the consequences will happen. This video, my motto is you can visualize the consequences of the missing tooth. This is a YouTube video that is formed by the Paradinas for education of the patient. You can see here, after the missing the tooth, the bone is lost around the missing tooth. So the first consequence is the missing bone loss around the missing tooth. Next is the tooth movement. How it will happen? Let's see in the video. You can see here the antagonist tooth will supra-erupt, and what happened in every movement or during the function, every functional movement, this will tooth hurt on the antagonist lower tooth. And what happened? You can see this will tooth is loosened with the every movement. This will happen in long way, but this video is showing in short while. You can see again what happened with the adjacent tooth. The adjacent tooth will try to close the missing tooth space. Tooth distal to the missing tooth that will migrate mesially, and it will try to fill this space, and it will again create the contact with the antagonist tooth. See, this is the movement of path. So the alignment of the tooth will change with the missing tooth in long way. You already see in the video how the bone loss will happen and tooth will shift and loosen. Now next to the next consequences is the face could change with the time, because the tooth will support the oral structure. After the tooth loss, what will happen? The musculature support will loss, and it will create a edentulous appearance. You can see in this video very well. You can see in this video very well that after losing the tooth, the facial height will reduce. You can see in here, there is a posterior tooth that will contact with the upper posterior tooth, so that facial height is maintained. But with the time when the tooth is lost, posterior tooth are lost, what happened? The lower facial height will reduced. How? Because it will cause the overclosure of the mandible, and patient will look like a edentulous appearance, means lower facial height will reduce. And you can see here the lip length here, and you can compare here, there is a lack of lip support, and mandible will overclose. So there is a loss of philtrum and thinning of the lip. So these are the consequences happen with the time. Next consequence you can see here, with the loss of the tooth, there is a speech and chewing problem. As you all know that that our teeth will create a closed space in the oral cavity that will maintain the air pressure in the mouth during the speaking or phonetics. So when the tooth is lost, there is a escape of air from that space, pressure in the mouth, so we have a difficulty in speaking or pronunciation properly. So it will affect the chewing problem as well as the speaking problem. Next consequences is it will affect the mental health. How it will affect? When someone lost their teeth, they will lose the confidence. They cannot speak and smile in a public place openly. So they will conscious, because if the edentulous space will be visible, we will not look very good. So that they will avoid the speaking or smiling in the public place. So it will affect the mental health also. By the replacement, we can regain their confidence. Disorder with the when the tooth is lost, what happened? It will cause the drastically affect the bite alignment. Means because of a missing tooth can drastically affect bite alignment. So the TMJ can be compromised. The jaw will compensate by working in a misaligned way. So what happened? This will cause the swelling and irritation to the TMJ, and in the long way, it will cause the anxiety and the depression to the patient. Suppose you have a one shoes the flat and one is heeled shoes, and you have to walk around whole day with this condition. So what happened after the day completion of the day? What happened? You will irritate, your body will hurt, and you feel pain in the body. So same way, our TMJ also feel the pain and swelling in the that way. So to avoid this condition, we have to replace the missing tooth with as soon as possible. If this condition is goes in long way, what happened? The TMJ give a clicking sound. Okay, now come to the management. To avoid these sequelae or consequences, we have to, there is a 3 type of management. First is the preventive treatment, next the maintenance, and third one is the replacement. In case of the caries tooth, we have to restore that tooth with the artificial substitute as soon as possible. This is the preventive treatment. If there is a calculus in the mouth or associated structure, then we have to clean the teeth. Next is the maintenance phase. We have to go for a dentist twice in a year for a regular checkup. That is maintenance phase. And next is the last but not least is the replacement stage. In that stage, what we do, we will restore the missing tooth with the there is a replacement options for a removal, partial denture, fixed partial denture, complete denture, implant, and maxillofacial prosthesis. These are the options for replacing the missing part of the body or tooth. So now I would like to conclude the session with the ounce of prevention is worth a pound of care. So thank you, all of you.